In this video, we're going to look into the new free local AI. So, what if you could run a powerful AI model directly on your computer, on your own computer, without paying a monthly subscription or sending every prompt to the cloud? So that's when these LFM 2.5 2.6B comes in. So the LFM 2.5 2.6B is actually a compact AI model designed to run locally on consumer hardware. So it comes from like Liquid AI, so it's from them. So if you go to the official website, you can look into it. So it comes from them, and it's part of the company's Liquid Foundation model, or LFM, as you know, their family. Okay, so the 2.6B on it actually refers to roughly 2.6 billion parameters. That's relatively small compared with many of today's huge AI models, and that's actually one of the biggest advantages. Because the model is compact, it can be much easier to run locally, making the AI more accessible without relying entirely on expensive cloud services. So, and the best part is you can download and use the model for free. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so the best things about this is that it's a local AI. So the biggest feature is that you can run the model on your own hardware. So the prompts can be processed locally instead of automatically being sent to remote AI server. And it's small and efficient. So around 2.6 billion parameters. So it's designed to be lightweight compared to much larger model. And it's free to use. So we don't necessarily need a paid AI subscription to experiment this, and it's pretty useful for everyday AI tasks like other modern language models. It can be used for things like answering questions, summarizing information, generating text, and all those things. So if you want to like try this, then you can download or you can. The easiest approach is to look for the model through platforms that support local AI models like Hugging Face or any local model running tools. From there, you can look for this. You can download the compatible model files and then use on local AI applications to load the model. So depending on your setup, such as tools like LM Studio or Llama can bring can use you can run through those you can run this model by using those models. So you can try that. And the installation process will depend on your operating system as well. So depending on what you are using, that's the one. So I would say that it's interesting if you're interested in local AI and privacy and offline access and like experimenting with the AI without paying for any subscription, then this is actually something we're going to really watch out for.